Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome to today's webinar. It's a pleasure to have this opportunity to connect with you. My name is Lin Li, and you can also call me Lily, and I'm the training manager of CNKI International. Today, we're going to explore more about the CNKI Academic Journals Full Text Database. This powerful tool is specifically designed to aid scholars across the globe in understanding and effectively utilizing academic resources from China. So let's get started on this exciting journey of exploration. Today's discussion will be divided into three main parts. First, we will dive into the background of China's study. Then, we will explore the features and resources of China's Academic Journals Full Text Database, also known as CAJ. Finally, we will discuss the functions and directions of the database and our mobile application, CNKI Express. Each of these complements plays a crucial role in understanding and leveraging the wealth of knowledge available through CNKI. Now, let's begin by setting the stage with some background on China's study. Understanding the context and history of academic research in China is key to fully appreciating the value and potential of the CAJ. As we'll delve into this background, we will explore the evaluation of academic research in China. And this will provide a solid foundation as we move forward to discuss the specific features and resources of the CNKI database. When considering China's academic research, it's important to understand the global demands and trends for China studies. The chart you're seeing now represents usage logs from over 1,000 overseas institutional users of CNKI. Based on this data, we've divided the last 10 years into two time periods and compared the search terms from 2013 to 2017 with those from 2018 to 2022. Our analysis reveals that while history and literature remain the primary focus of the overseas users using CNKI, there's been a significant increase in search terms such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, smart city, teaching, and Belt and Road, excluding epidemic and COVID-19. These trends indicate an expanding demand of new areas of study. Turning to the Web of Science, we analyzed 160,000 articles with the title China published by authors outside of Chinese mainland. This analysis shows that China studies now cover a broader range of subjects than they did 20 years ago. This shift signifies the evaluation of China study into a more comprehensive and multidisciplinary fields of study. It's an exciting development that opens up a new avenue for research and understanding, and is something that the CNKI Academic Journals Full Text Database is well equipped to support. As many of us are aware, academic journals possess several distinctive features, including primary research, focus, trendy, continuity, and quality. In simple terms, academic journals are known for being the main stage where new research is shared. They dive deep into very specific topics, and because they're regularly updated, they're a great way to stay in the loop with the latest findings in your field. Plus, the articles you are seeing in these journals have been worked on and revised over a long period, ensuring that the final product is of high quality. And to top it all off, they go through a tough review process by experts, so you know you're getting the reliable information. With these features in mind, let's now turn our attention to how the CNKI Academic Journals Full Text Database leverages these qualities. CAJ is a leading, continuously updated full text database of Chinese academic journals. It serves as the most authoritative academic literature search tool and the most comprehensive online publishing platform for Chinese academic journals, embodying the features we've just discussed. Now that we've covered the unique features of academic journals, let's move on to explore the specific features and resources of China's academic journals full text database. This platform takes the strength of academic journals and provides a comprehensive and efficient tool for assessing the vast range of Chinese academic resources. The CAJ database stands out with 5 key features. Firstly, it's incredibly comprehensive. It covers most of academic journals published in Chinese mainland, with some going back to their very first issue. Secondly, it has high referential value. It covers almost all of the core journals in Chinese mainland, and all journals undergo strict peer review, ensuring the quality of the content. Thirdly, it's organized for easy navigation. Subjects are divided according to Chinese libraries classification and then further divided by topic, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Fourthly, it's efficient. With features like online first and enhanced publishing models, you can access the latest research quickly and easily. And in the next part of our discussion, I'll share some specific cases to further illustrate these features. For comprehensive, our database offers integrated retrieval of both Chinese and foreign journals. It includes more than 8,500 academic journals published by Chinese publishers, both in Chinese and English, which encompasses over 1,970 core journals from Peking University and more than 2,360 journals that were first published online. Some of them can dating back to 1915. This amounts to tens of millions of full-text articles. In addition to these journals, the database also includes bibliography in academic journals in non-Chinese languages. This includes over 80,000 journals from nearly 900 publishers in almost 80 countries and regions. It covers 96% of JCR journals and 90% of Scopus journals dating back to the 16th century. This collection includes hundreds of millions of non-Chinese language titles, which can be linked to full text, and users can directly access the full text of these non-Chinese language titles if their institution have subscriptions to this corresponding database. The database maintains high standard of journal inclusion. Only regular publications with an ISSN or CN number are included. Journals suspected of academic misconduct and those with high duplication rates are all excluded. This ensures the integrity and quality of the content available in the database. Now, let's take a look at this screenshot. You can see that some of the journals included in the prominent database source, such as SCI, are covered by us. This includes journals such as the Chinese Journals of Catalysis, Cell Research, and NSR. And this demonstrates the high referential value of our database, as it includes a wide range of highly respected and influential journals. Let's now turn our attention to the significant classification within the CNKI Academic Journals full text database. This classification system is designed to help users navigate the vast array of content available. In the field of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, we have several categories, such as physics, chemistry, environment, architecture, energy, traffic, medicine and public health, electronic technology, etc. This classification system allows users to quickly locate the journals and articles that are most relevant to their research interests. And similarly, the humanity and social sciences are also divided into distinct categories, covering literature, history, philosophy, politics, military affairs and law, education and social sciences, economics and management. This systematic organization of subjects helps users to easily navigate the vast resources available in the database, making the research process more efficient and productive. And the slides showcases some high-impact journals in the fields of STEM that are included in the CNKI Academic Journals Full Text Database. These journals are renowned for their quality and influence in their respective fields, and they represent the breadth and depth of the resources available in our database. For instance, Petroleum Exploration and Development is a leading journal in petroleum engineering. Moving on to the humanity and social science, CNKI database also covers a wide range of highly respected journals, and this includes journals of management world in management, Chinese rural economy in agricultural economics, China legal science in law, social sciences in China in social science and humanities, and cultural relics in archaeology. Each of these journals has made significant contributions to its respective fields and has a strong academic influence, exemplifying the rich resources available in the database for researchers in the humanities and social sciences. Now that we've discussed the broad categories of journals included in the CNKI Academic Journals Full Text Database, let's dive deeper and look at some specific examples of high-impact journals in different fields. First up is Acta Geographica Sinica. This is a big deal in the world of geography science in China. It's been around since 1934 and gives us a great look at the level of geographical research in China. It keeps pace with the development of world geographic science as one of the top 10 science and technology journals in the country, and its impact factor ranked first in geography science. It's sponsored by some big names like Institute of Geographic Science and Natural Resources Research of Chinese Academy of Sciences, and you can find it in a bunch of core databases. Next, we have acupuncture research. This is the only journal in China that focuses on the mechanism of acupuncture and moxibusum. It's been a top journal in Chinese medicine for years. The team behind it is international, with experts from China, the United States, Australia, France, Japan, and other countries, which is suitable for the acupuncture practice standards for many countries. And you can find it in databases like China Core Journals and JST. Last but not least, we have the Journal of Management World. This is a top journal in management according to the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences. It's been around since 1985 and is a leader in economic management. It's #1 in the full text reprint ranking of management journals and #2 in economics journals, as well as top 100 social science journals recognized by the National Press and Publication Department in China. It's sponsored by the Department Research Center of the State Council and is included in databases like China Core Journals and JST as well. Having looked at specific examples of high-impact journals, Let's now turn our attention to another impressive feature of our database, its complete collection. The database is continually updated with new journals, and most of these can be traced back to their very first issues. For instance, we have all issues of the Journal of Tsinghua University, spanning 107 years. This comprehensive coverage allows us to trace the changes and development in academic research at Tsinghua University over more than a century. And it's not just Tsinghua University. Many other journals in CAG can be traced back to their first issue as well. This allows us to record the developments and changes in China's science and technology, humanities, societies, and other aspects over time. So, to sum up, we could say now that the database stands out for its comprehensiveness, high referential value, scientific classification, and complete collection. It includes a wide range of high-impact journals in various fields, continually updated, and provides a rich resources for tracing the evaluation of academic research in China. Now, let's move on to another standout feature of CAJ, its high efficiency and leading-edge publishing modes. Specifically, we'll be looking at online first and enhanced publishing. First, let's talk about online first. So, what is it? Well, in the online first publishing mode, an author's manuscript can be submitted for review to CNKI as soon as it's approved and accepted by editorial department. This happens before the issue or page numbers for later print publication is even determined. Once the manuscript passes the review, it can be formally published via the online first mode. As the screenshot showed on the left, you can easily find that the online first category in the journal navigation and the online first tag will show up in the search results for articles too. So, what are the benefits of online first? For authors, it's a chance to showcase their academic research results as soon as possible. For readers, it's a way to get real-time access to the latest academic research and hot topics. On average, articles published via online first are available 69.2 days ahead of their print counterparts. That means individual articles from online first academic journals get a head start on digital publishing on the CNKI platform, about 3 months on average before they appear in print. During this gap period, CNKI is the only platform where readers can access these articles. Have explored the benefits of the online first publishing mode. Let's now turn our attention to another innovative approach, enhanced publishing. This method challenges the traditional notion that online literature should only be published in the same format as the print version. So, what exactly is enhanced publishing? This approach involves the digital publication of original literature along with additional materials. This can include experimental process, survey materials, research data, and more. The aim is to create more dynamic and engaging content. Enhanced publishing forms a digital publication with its intrinsic connections and composite digital works after organization and encapsulation. It represents the publication of the entire academic achievement. The additional contents, also known as enhanced materials, can include text, data, tables, images, videos, audios, manuscripts, and more. These are usually presented only in their digital form online. And what are the benefits of enhanced publishing? There are three main advantages. Enhanced publishing uses web links and multimedia to provide a comprehensive expression of ideas and results. This approach makes the entire experimental process and associated data transparent, ensuring the validity and integrity of the research. It can express the unwritten thoughts of the authors. It breaks the constraints of page limits traditionally seen in the print publication. It enables authors to vividly present various details that can't typically be accommodated in a standard research paper, thus enhancing the overall communication of the research. And it can also pave a roadmap for the future research. By using a variety of methods to present academic research, enhanced publishing allows for rigorous validation and acknowledgement of innovative results. This approach facilitates easier application, development, and sharing of knowledge. It also proves beneficial in providing practical guidance and improving the efficiency of knowledge transfer and application. Now, let's delve into some specific examples that showcase the unique features of enhanced publishing. Our first case is an article about detection and validation of gram weight published in the Journal of Plant Genetic Resources. This article includes an original data Excel file, providing readers with access to over 200 test materials and their results. This is a prime example of how enhanced publishing can offer transparency in research and data. By giving readers direct access to raw data, it fosters a better understanding of the research and allows for independent verification of the results. Our next case is an article on the arbitration relief system published in the Journal of Shanghai University of Political Science and Law. This article comes with an M4A audio file where the author personally articulates the contents and viewpoints of the paper. This case demonstrates how enhanced publishing can provide a more interactive and personal experience for readers. By including an audio recording for the author's discussion, the paper's content, and viewpoints, readers can engage more deeply with the research. This example corresponds to the benefits of expressing unwritten thoughts of the authors. And before we delve further in academic articles, I'd like to introduce you to Su Bingtian, also known as the Asian Flying Man. Su is the Asian record holder for the men's 100 meters sprint, clocking in at 9.83 seconds. He's also an associate professor at Jinan University and a PhD student at Beijing Sports University. During his preparations for the Tokyo Olympics, Su drew upon his many years of training experiences and elaborated in detail on how he can run faster and faster. There are videos of his training and running analysis combined with plenty of data as the enhanced materials of his paper. These materials provide a vivid learning experience for both professionals and laypeople. Su's detailed account, based on his personal experience, provides a first-hand perspective of the methodologies he used and the practices he adopted to improve his performance. This type of experimental knowledge, when shared in an enhanced publishing format, serves as a valuable resource or a roadmap for future athletes and researchers studying athletic performance. It offers practical guidance and inspiration, which can be further developed and applied in their training regimes or research models. So, How can CAJ enhance your research journey? Firstly, CNKI provides a vast collection of the latest Chinese research across all disciplines, enriching your research with diverse perspectives. Secondly, our extensive resources for visiting scholars and faculty from China can enhance your institution's appeal to potential Chinese recruits. Thirdly, we serve as a bridge for global academic dialogue, fostering international collaborations and promoting cross-cultural understanding. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I navigate this database? Let's dive into the application of China Academic Journal's full-text database, exploring its functions and directions, as well as the CNKI Express mobile application. Our platform offers a range of features to streamline your research process. These include multiple navigation methods, an efficient search system, sorting and grouping capabilities, visual analytics, knowledge network nodes, and full-text access. You can navigate by subject, online first articles, database, publication frequency, publication place, and more. We also offer efficient search system with numerous search fields to deliver precise search results. You can categorize search results by subject, disciplines, publication year, and sort by publication date, sites, downloads, etc. Also, our platform allows you to analyze selected or all search results to explore their general trends and distributions related to different aspects. We display a network of citations, similar subjects, and more to enhance your research efficiency. Last but not least, for full text access, you can download CAG or PDF files, read online, and we even offer machine translation for some of non-Chinese articles. To give you a better understanding, let's take a look at this screenshot of a search result page. It provides different navigation and search and ranking functions and support multi-dimensional visual analysis of search results. This helps you to better understanding the distribution, relevance, and development trends of search terms and other information. You can navigate by subjects, publication, year, journals, disciplines, and more. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into how these features can enhance your research journey. The first step to using our platform is to log in. We have three main pages available in English, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese. The login button is located at the top right corner of the main page. When you click on the login button, you will be taken to the page where we offer different login methods. These include account password login, IP login through IP address detection, and off-campus access. For off-campus users, we support shibboleth authentication for accessing our resources. Once you're logged in, you can start searching for content you want on our platform. CNKI has an efficient search system that utilizes XML fragmentation technology, smart index, and professional dictionary. You're seeing now is our English main page. So you can directly search the literature by simply clicking on the magnifying glass icon under subjects, titles, keywords, or other aspects. Alternatively, you can click the Journal button to go to the specific database interface. So, after clicking Journal button, the interface shown now will help you to quickly and efficiently locate the resources you need by choosing different search angles, such as articles, authors, and journal information. Let's dive deeper into our advanced search feature. This tool is like your personal research detective, pinpointing exactly what you need without any hassle. You can sift through research topics, authors, publication years, journals, and even resource categories with our multi-dimensional search function. This precision-driven tool is designed to help you locate the resources you need efficiently. Plus, you have the option to filter your search by literature with online first and enhanced publishing modes. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your research needs. Now, let's take a look about the different source types you can choose from. We have SCI source journals, EI source journals, PKU core journals, CSSCI, and CSCD. You might be familiar with SCI and EI, but what about PKU, CSSCI, and CSCD? So let's take a closer look. PKU core journals, also known as Peking University core journals, is officially known as a guide to the core journals of China. This guide was initiated by Peking University and jointly compiled by several dozen university libraries. It includes nearly 2,000 selected journals across social sciences and technological fields. The guide has been published every 4 years since its inception in 1992 and every 3 years since 2008. And CSSCI stands for Chinese Social Science Citation Index. Developed by the China Social Science Research and Evaluation Center of Nanjing University. It's also referred to as Nanjing University Core Journals. The CSSCI comprises nearly 600 academic journals spanning 25 major categories, including law, management, economics, history, and political science. The source journals for inclusion are reviewed and selected every 2 years. CSCD, or Chinese Science Citation Database, was established by the Literature and Information Center of the Chinese Academy of Sciences in 1989. The CSCD curates the journals in the fields of natural sciences, engineering technology, and medicine in China. Over 1,000 journals have been selected for inclusion. The source journals are reviewed and selected every 2 years. Lastly, you can select different classifications to narrow down your research range. The classification is divided into numerous subdisciplines and topics. This allows you to focus on your search on the area that's most relevant to your research. Now, let's dive deeper into how the advanced search feature on the CNKI platform can be a game changer for your research. So now imagine you're Amy, a researcher who has a specific focus in mind. So you're interested in a narrative analysis of George Eliot's novels, and you want to trace the research developments over the past decades. Moreover, you are only interested in the papers from core journals. So now, if you simply type George Eliot into the search bar, you will be overwhelmed with 907 results. That's a lot to sift through, and many of these results might not even be the relevant to your specific research focus. So this is where the advanced search feature comes in handy. By using specific keywords like narrative and George Eliot, setting the time period to the last 10 years, and selecting core journal in the advanced search, you can refine your search to be more relevant and accurate. The results, instead of 907, you now have only 5 highly relevant literatures to read. This way, you can thoroughly read all of them and find your future research direction. The advanced search feature on CNKI, therefore, allows you to pinpoint your research swiftly and accurately, saving your time and effort. So now, let's dive into the specifics of how to use CNKI database more effectively. CNKI excels in sorting and grouping capabilities. It allows you to categorize search results by various parameters, such as subject, discipline, publication year, research level, journals, and source types. You can also sort the results by publication date, relevance, citations, and downloads to prioritize the information you need. Here is a screenshot of the search results. The left column provides grouping functions, including subjects, disciplines, and more. For subjects, you can distinguish between the main subjects, which is central theme of the research, and secondary subjects, which are a topic that not primarily focused on in the research. As for sorting, you can arrange the articles by publication date, relevance, citations, downloads, and more. Another significant feature of this database is its visual analytics capabilities. You can analyze selected or all search results to explore their general trends and distributions to relate it to different aspects. Let's delve into a practical example to illustrate the power of our visual analysis. Suppose you are interested in the field of archaeology and want to explore its general trends. Here's a way of how you can do it. Enter archaeology in the search bar. Clicking the Explore and Analysis button, choose to analyze all search results related to this term. Alternatively, if you are only interested in specific articles, you can select those for more focused analysis. This flexibility allows you to tailor your research process to your specific needs and interests. In this case, I chose to analyze all the results. The analysis provides different aspects of the results, such as the publication year trend, main and secondary subjects, disciplines, research level, journals, and source types. What you're seeing now is the publication year trend of the search results. We can also directly find out the subject's distributions under the search term. In addition, the discipline distribution and comparison analysis are clearly illustrated in a pie chart or a bar chart. You can choose to display the top 10, 20, 30, or 40 results for a more detailed analysis. An interesting function is the comparison analysis. You can choose different disciplines and subjects to compare their publication number trends, thereby gaining a broader understanding of the development and trends of a certain topic. And this also helps us understand the popularity of these topics. Last but not least, we can also find out which journals have published the most articles about archaeology under the analysis. And it is easy to get full text access by using our platform. Moving on now, you will notice a screenshot of the platform here. You can see the download button, the online reading and HTML reading buttons, and the citation button. This user-friendly interface allows you to easily read, download, or cite the articles directly from the title without having to navigate to another page. And if you want to dive deeper into a specific article, you will be directed to a page like this one shown in the picture. This page provides several pieces of information, such as the abstract, keywords, author's names, and the publishing modes. It also offers options for reading and downloading the article. And the page showing now presents the screenshots of the online HTML reading and machine translation features. Here, you can view the directory structure, the full text, and the references of the article online. Additionally, our platform provides a machine translation service for selected journal articles, allowing users to access the English version of some articles, as this one. And on this page, you will see that you can also download the articles in CAJ or PDF format and read them offline without the need for an internet connection. This feature ensures that you can access the information you need whenever and wherever you need it. Now, let's dive into the feature of the knowledge network node. Imagine have a tool that connects the dots for you, showing you a network of related research, similar subjects, and more. That's what our knowledge network node does. It's like having a research assistant that helps you to navigate through the sea of information, making your research journey more efficient. Let's continually use an article about archaeology as an example to illustrate this. When you click on an article, you can read the abstract and other information about it as we just talked before. But the real magic happens when you scroll down the knowledge network node section. This feature shows you the origins and developments of the research, giving you a more complete understanding of the topic. It's like having a map that guides you through the landscape of knowledge related to your research. The subject tree of the article shows the development of the subject related to the article. You can click on any link point on the knowledge network node to get the corresponding content. It's like having a family tree, but for knowledge. And there's more. The platform also provides recommendations for similar articles to further your research. It's like having a personal librarian who knows exactly what you're interested in and can recommend the best resources for you. Now, let's take a look of our multiple navigation methods. This interface, as shown, guides you to the navigation page of the academic journal's full text database. You can search for a journal using its title, ISSN, or CN number. We also offer a subject navigation features for those who want to take a broad sweep of a particular field. Let's delve into the world of archaeology as an example. You have the power to sort the journals by academic influence or update time. For instance, when I arranged these journals by the number of citations, the journal Cultural Relics emerged as a leader in the field. By clicking on the cover of the journal, you will be transported to a page with more detailed information, such as the sources, sponsors, publication, and evaluation information about it. You could browse the journal online by issue, column, or statistic and evaluation. When browsing it by issue, you have the option to download the original edition of a certain issue. Imagine you've just penned a groundbreaking academic article on archaeology, and you're eager to share your work with the world. The original edition of this journal becomes a valuable resource as it contains the contact information of the editor and the publisher, paving the way for your publication journey. Also, you can easily find a specific issue by time. Imagine you are on a quest for knowledge and you are looking for a specific issue of a journey. With CNKI, you can effortlessly travel back in time. Another way to learn more about a certain journal is through column browsing. For this journal, there are columns about new findings in archaeology, bamboo and wooden slips documents, cave temple, ancient architecture, etc. You can choose the time period as 10 years to get a big picture of this topic. Or you could choose 1 or 3 or 5 years as you like to learn about the recent trends of this theme. But what if you want to know more about the journal itself? CNKI has got you covered with its data analysis feature. It's like having a personal guide who shows you the main disciplines of the journal, giving you an instant snapshot of its focus areas. For instance, here in Cultural Relics, the main disciplines include archaeology and China ancient history. And if you're hunting for a specific term within a specific journal, CNKI turns into your personal search hunt, sniffing out the terms you want with ease and precision. For instance, let's say you're interested in painting. Just type it in, and it features 20 articles for you in this journal. You can rank them by different indicators to suit your needs as well. Now, let's delve into the world of CNKI Express, a mobile application designed to make your research journey more convenient and efficient. CNKI Express is your pocket-sized research companion, providing quick and easy access to a wealth of research articles and resources. This application is designed to make your research process as smooth as possible, no matter where you are. The CNKI Express app is packed with features that cater to your research needs. It provides seamless access to Chinese academic resources, personalized customization of reading lists, and accurate push notifications on the latest updates. It's a powerful tool for anyone seeking to delve into Chinese academic resources with ease and efficiency. Another one of the standout features of CNKI Express application is its ability to bridge your computer and mobile research experiences. If you're reading an article on your computer and need to switch to your mobile device, simply scan the QR code using the CNKI Express application. This instantly transfers your reading material to your phone, allowing you to continue research on the go. In a sense, the CNKI Express app is a powerful tool that offers a personalized and efficient research experience. It's like having a research library in your pocket. And that brings us to the end of my presentation today. I sincerely appreciate your time and attention. I hope that I've been able to provide you with a more comprehensive understanding of CNKI's China Academic Journals Full Text Database. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask. My colleagues and I are here to help you. Thank you.